So once again, we'll visit the problem of function optimization, or locating extreme points within the behavior of a function. Our problem was classically phrased: given a function f of x, find x equals x star such that f of x star is a maximum or a minimum. Let's take a look at this with a built-in MATLAB function called humps. So here you can see that it rises up, there's a high point, it drops, there's another high point. So there's two maxima, one global maximum. There's one minimum, but there's no global minimum because this just asymptotically approaches its value going out. So we're going to use fminbnd and fzero in order to find features of this plot as an optimization. We're going to run fminbnd two different ways. The first of these takes an x star out of fminbnd. So for fminbnd, I'm giving it at humps. I'm giving it the function handle to the function I'm trying to minimize. And I give it a range from 0.3 to 1 within which it's supposed to look. So it returns to me the value 0.6370. If I go back to my plot, looks like that is about correct. So great, this worked out. The other way I can call fminbnd is that I can receive everything as an array back. We talked about how do you receive multiple values from a function. And in this case, if you ask for two things back, you get the value of x star and you get the value y equals f of x star at that point. There's also an fmin search, which is a little bit more sophisticated, but we don't need it in CS 101. So fminbnd is going to let us search the range of this function that we're providing to it as a function handle. Now we don't know what these functions are doing behind the scenes. Most MATLAB functions are black boxes in a sense. They're making judgment calls on the most efficient method under the hood. So it's often unclear unless you query or specify a particular method. We assume that we already have f defined. In this case, I open it up and I can see that f is y equals cosine x minus e to the negative x plus 4. So I'm going to see where this crosses the axis. I'm going to say fzero at f. I'm going to give it a starting guess of 10. And x star comes out to be negative 1.4. Let's go ahead and plot this and see what this looks like so we can confirm that.